Want to know how to rank #1 on Google for your Shopify e-commerce store? Stick around, as we're about to unveil the secrets to climbing the search engine ladder and hitting that coveted top spot. In the online world, your business's visibility can make or break your success, and that's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is the art and science of making your website attractive to search engines, particularly Google, which holds a hefty share of all global searches. Why is SEO so important for e-commerce, you might wonder? Well, for one, it increases your website's visibility and discoverability. When your Shopify store ranks high on the search results page, more people can find you. And more visibility translates into more potential customers. Moreover, SEO can help you target the right audience. By using relevant keywords and creating quality content, you can attract people who are genuinely interested in your products. This not only drives traffic, but also increases the chances of conversions and sales. Now let's briefly overview the steps to rank #1 on Google. First off, we have keyword research. By identifying and using the right keywords, you can optimize your website to show up when people search for those terms. Next, we optimize on-page elements like title tags, meta descriptions, and URLs. This helps search engines understand what your page is about and rank it accordingly. Image optimization is another critical step. By compressing images and using descriptive alt text, you can improve page load speed and make your website more accessible. Building high-quality backlinks is also crucial. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites, telling search engines that your site is trustworthy and relevant. Lastly, we have content marketing. By creating valuable content, you can establish your store as an authoritative resource, attract more visitors, and earn more backlinks. It all starts with comprehensive keyword research. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the first step of your journey to the top of Google's rankings. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. This is where our journey to the top of Google's rankings begins. It's a journey that starts with a deep dive into keyword research. Keyword research is not just about finding words and phrases. It's about understanding the needs and desires of your potential customers. It's about uncovering the language they use when they're searching for the products you offer. Imagine you're a detective, piecing together clues to solve a mystery. In this case, the mystery is what your audience wants, and the clues are the keywords they use. These keywords are the breadcrumbs that lead your audience to your Shopify store. So how do you find these elusive keywords? Thankfully, there are tools designed to help you do just that. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush. They're like your trusty magnifying glass, revealing the high-volume, low-competition keywords hidden in plain sight. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool that provides keyword ideas based on your product or service, while SEMrush is a more advanced tool that offers comprehensive keyword analytics. These tools can show you what your target audience is searching for, how often they're searching for it, and how competitive those search terms are. But remember, keyword research isn't just about finding the most popular keywords. It's about finding the right keywords, the ones that fit seamlessly with your products and your brand. For instance, if you're selling handmade soap, you don't just want to target the keyword soap. It's too broad, too competitive. Instead, you want to find more specific keywords, like handmade organic soap or vegan soap bars. These are the high-volume, low-competition keywords that will help you stand out in the crowded online marketplace. So, let's recap. Keyword research is about understanding your audience and finding the right keywords. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush can help you uncover these keywords. And most importantly, these keywords should align with your products. In the next scene, we'll dive into the next step in our SEO journey, on-page optimization. But for now, remember this. Keyword research is the foundation of your SEO strategy. It's the first step on your path to ranking #1 on Google. Next, optimize your Shopify store's on-page elements. This is where the magic happens. The on-page elements are the parts of your website that your visitors see and interact with. They're also the parts that Google's algorithms analyze to determine what your site is about and how valuable it is to searchers. Let's start with title tags. These are the headlines that appear in search results. They're one of the first things both people and search engines see, so it's essential to make them count. Make sure your title tags are compelling, relevant, and include your target keywords. Next up, meta descriptions. These are the short summaries that appear under your title tags in search results. While they don't directly impact rankings, they're crucial for click-through rates. A well-crafted meta description can entice searches to click on your link instead of your competitors. Again, include your target keywords, but make sure it reads naturally and entices the reader. Now let's talk about URLs. Clean, concise URLs that include your target keywords can help search engines understand your page's content. Plus, they look better to users. So instead of a URL like yourstore.com/product12345 quote comma, try for something more descriptive like yourstore.com/vintage-leather-boots quote dot, and then there's content. Your product descriptions should be more than just a list of features. They should tell a story, engage the reader, and most importantly, include your target keywords. But remember, your content should always be written with the user in mind first and search engines second. And here's a pro tip. Use your keywords naturally. Keyword stuffing or overusing keywords can harm your SEO efforts. Instead, aim for a natural flow, incorporating keywords where they make sense. This might seem like a lot to handle, but these on-page elements are your secret weapons in the battle for the top spot on Google. By giving them the attention they deserve, you can create a website that not only appeals to your customers, but also impresses search engines. This will improve your search visibility. An often overlooked aspect of e-commerce SEO is optimizing product images. You might ask, why is this so important? Well, it's all about improving your site's speed and accessibility. Large, unoptimized images can slow down your page load speed, which can negatively impact your SEO performance. So what's the solution? Image compression. There are a plethora of online tools available that can reduce the size of your images without compromising on quality. Now let's talk about alt text. Alt text is a brief description of an image used by screen readers for visually impaired users, but it also serves a dual purpose. It provides search engines with context about the image, helping them understand your content better. So, make sure to include descriptive alt text for your images, incorporating your target keywords naturally. This not only enhances accessibility, but also boosts your SEO performance. Remember, every little detail counts when it comes to climbing to that coveted #1 spot on Google. Building high-quality backlinks is crucial for improving your site's authority. Backlinks essentially are votes of confidence from other websites. They signal to search engines that your content is valuable and worthy of citation. But remember, not all backlinks are created equal. The quality of the site linking to you matters more than the quantity of links. Now let's talk about how you can earn these valuable backlinks. One effective strategy is guest blogging. By contributing high-quality content to reputable blogs in your industry, you can secure a backlink to your site in your author bio. Influencer collaborations are another great way to build backlinks. By partnering with influencers, you can leverage their following to drive traffic to your site and potentially earn a backlink in the process. Lastly, consider directory submissions. Submitting your site to relevant directories can also earn you backlinks, but be selective. Only choose directories that have a good reputation themselves. This will increase the trustworthiness of your Shopify store. Finally, leverage the power of content marketing to establish your store as an authoritative resource. The first step involves creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. This could be informative blog posts, detailed how-to guides, or even engaging product tutorials. The key is to provide something of value that will keep your audience coming back for more. But creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to share this content across various social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. These platforms offer a great way to get your content in front of a wider audience. Lastly, your content can serve as a magnet for inbound links. If you're producing high-quality content that offers value, other sites will naturally want to link to it. This not only boosts your SEO, but also helps to establish your store as a trusted source of information. This will expand your reach and attract more potential customers. In conclusion, mastering Shopify e-commerce SEO requires a multifaceted approach. It's not just about sprinkling a few keywords here and there, but rather a holistic strategy that encompasses every aspect of your online store. From conducting comprehensive keyword research and optimizing your on-page elements, to enhancing your product images and building high-quality backlinks, every step is crucial in boosting your store's visibility on Google. Don't forget the power of content marketing. By creating and sharing valuable content, you can establish your store as an authoritative resource in your niche, attracting more inbound links and driving more organic traffic. However, it's important to remember that the world of SEO is dynamic and ever-changing. Staying abreast of the latest trends and updates is key to maintaining your top spot. By implementing these strategies diligently, you can propel your store to the coveted #1 spot on Google, driving organic traffic and boosting